2 News, Maryland's most accurate forecast.
All right, we don't have any severe weather right now, so you don't need to sort of think about your emergency action plan, at least to put into place for today. Instead, we just have cooler temperatures that are coming on our way. That's going to stay this way for about the next 2 days, right in time for fall. Taking a live look out at the University of Maryland. Earlier today, there were so many people out on the grass there, maybe you too, enjoying the beautiful sunshine. Nice for a round of frisbee with maybe your friends or even the dog, right? We'll continue this pattern as long as you don't mind the slight chill in the atmosphere. Temperature is currently looking like 64 degrees out toward the Inner Harbor in Baltimore. Parkton's at 60, Bel Air 63, and Essex at 64. These values, though, have come up slightly from where we were yesterday. Not by much, but hey, we'll take it, right? About 2 in Bel Air, 3 out over toward Columbia, and 2 in Annapolis. I think tomorrow we could actually see these go back just a little bit, but no matter which way you look at it, temperatures are cooler than normal. We are continuing to roll anywhere from 5 to 10 degrees below average as we have an area of high pressure found out over toward the northeast with that clockwise flow. So it's pulling in our winds out of the north, this cool Canadian air funneling on in, and that's what's driving our temperatures to feel a lot more like mid-October. The other thing, though, high pressure does is it allows beautiful sunny skies to prevail. So it will, in fact, look gorgeous out there. Winds will be a little bit gusty at times tomorrow. We could see them, I'd say, close to about the 15-mile-per-hour range. And then once we get through Tuesday, the first day of fall, we still have high pressure. Although temperatures now are going to start to warm up ever so slightly by about 5 degrees. That still keeps us 5 degrees cooler than normal, and we'll crack on into the 80s by the time we get into Wednesday, so taking us a little bit closer to seasonal. Here's the proof in your futurecast. Starting off tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. Look how chilly it is in Parkton, waking up at 39 degrees. Now, we do not have any frost advisories. However, Washington County does. We still get close to it, though. Temperatures staying on into the 30s and 40s for some of our locations with the clear conditions. By noon, 61. So hopefully you still have the boots with the fur, and you can look at around Annapolis, also looking at about 60 degrees. Fast forward to your evening commute, and we're looking at 65. So definitely feeling like fall, although it will officially be the day earlier. Now we get to Tuesday. Fall begins at 9:30 in the morning, and temperatures, you notice we're not talking about the low 60s. We have the mid 60s. So already noticing that little warm up for us. And then for your commute home, it cracks into the 70s. 71 out toward Essex will be the forecast for you, and we get even warmer as we head on in through Wednesday. Quick look into the tropics as we have a few disturbances out there. Hurricane Teddy will cause some high swells, especially for the Atlantic coastline. And Tropical Storm Beta now getting ready to approach Texas. That one about 120 miles away from Galveston. You can see it's just a tropical storm, nonetheless anticipated to bring Texas and Louisiana isolated amounts of 15 inches of rainfall as it makes landfall there tomorrow. And then when we look at the moisture, we could see some of that stream our way by Sunday and Monday. 7-day forecast tomorrow, 66 degrees, 72 on Tuesday. Wednesday we crack into the 80s, and coming up I'll tell you when we flirt with the 90s.